Hello students, now the chapter 3, playing with numbers. Okay, chapter 3, playing with numbers. Now in chapter 3 we'll see how we can play with numbers. Like now you know the numbers 1, 2, 3 you already studied. Why we are using the numbers, where we are using the numbers, all these things you know. Now we'll see some more properties of numbers. Now how to play with numbers. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about factor and multiples. Okay, factor and multiples. What is the factor and what is the multiples of a number? We'll study in this chapter. Okay, I write 10 important factors of factors and multiples, 10 important points which are important to know about what is the factor and what is the multiple, and factor and multiples of a number. How we can find the factors, what is the factor and what are the multiples, how we can find the multiples, that things. Let's see the small introduction of chapter 3. Okay, this is the introduction for the factors and multiples. It is also given in the section 3.2. First, about the factors. Factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Okay, factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Factor is also a number. Factor is also number, but that number divides the given number exactly, means remainder is 0. So that divisor of that number is the factor. Okay, for example, if we divide 4 by 2, so 2 is the divisor. Okay, 2 is the divisor. Now divide 4 by 2, so 2 2 is the 4. So now remainder is 0, so it is the exact divisor. Exact divisor means when the number divides any given number, it leaves the remainder 0, then this is the exact divisor. So this exact divisor is the factor of 4. Okay, जिसको उसने डिवाइड किया, 2 ने किसको डिवाइड किया, 4 को. So 2 is the factor of 4. One more example, 8 divided by 2. Okay, let's see, divide 8 by 2, so 2 4s are 8. Now also 2 is the exact divisor, so 2 is also a factor of 8. Okay, so 2 is factor of 8 because 2 is the exact divisor of 8. Here 2 is exact divisor of 4, so 2 is also a factor of 4. Okay, so this is the factor. Clear? Factor is a number that is an exact divisor of that number. Factor is a number that exact divides a number 4. So 2 is a factor of 4. Here 2 is a factor of 8. Clear? Now second point is, we can say that number is a multiple of each of its factor. Okay, number is a multiple of each of its factor. Now see, what do you mean by multiple? Okay, what is multiple? Okay, took a table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So this 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10. These are the multiples of, and so on. These are the multiples of 2. Okay, these are the multiples of 2. So the number is a multiple of each of its factor. Now 4 is a multiple of its factor. Okay, और भी factors है. Okay, now one of its factor of 4 is 2. So 4 is also the multiple of 2. Here one of the factor of 8 is 2. So 8 is the multiple of 2. Okay, see, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and so on. So this 2 is a factor of 4, so 4 is a multiple of 2. 2 is a factor of 2, so 2 is a multiple of 2. 2 is a factor of 6, so 6 is the multiple of 2. 2 is a factor of 8, so 8 is a multiple of 2. 2 is a factor of 10, so 10 is a multiple of 2, because 2 is the exact divisor of this number. So this is the factor. 2 is a factor of all these numbers, and if 2 is a factor of all these numbers, so it means all these numbers are the multiples of 2. That is the second point. Now 1 is a factor of every number. What is a factor? Factor is an exact divisor. So 1 divides every number. 1 is the exact divisor of every number. So 1 is a factor of every number. Like we divide 4 by 1, it leaves the remainder zeros. Like 1 4, 1 4 is a 4 leaves 0. So 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, clear. Now fourth point, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is factor of itself. Like here we write the multiples of 2. So 2 is a factor of 2. Okay, every number is factor of itself. So 2 is also a factor of 2. Okay, now 4. So 4 is also a factor of 4. 4 is a factor of 4 because what are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. So 4 is a factor of 4 because 4 is the exact divisor of 4. Now for 5, 5, 10, 15 and so on. So here 5 is a factor of 5 because 5 is the exact divisor of 5. So 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. Means 4 is a factor of 4, 5 is a factor of 5, 2 is a factor of 2, 3 is a factor of 3, 7 is factor of 7 and so on. Now the fifth point, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. We already studied in first part that every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor means if what are the factors of 8? Let's find the factors of 8. Okay, factors, the number which exactly divides the 8. So 2, because 2 divides the here we are writing the factors of 8 because 2 divides 8 exact. 2 is the exact divisor of 8. Now 4 is also the exact divisor of 8. Now 8 is also an exact divisor of 8. Here we studied that every number is a factor of itself. So here 8 is a factor of itself, means 8. So factors of 8 are 2, 4, 8 and 1 is also, because here we will write 1 is a factor of every number. So here we have to write 1 factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay, these 4 are the factors of 8. So every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So ये जो 4 factors है 8 के, ये exact divisors है 8 के. Okay, so these 4 factors of 8 are the exact divisors of 8. Now for 3, 1 is a factor of every number, so 1 is a obvious. 1 is also the factor of 3 and 3. Only 3 have 2 factors, 1 and 3, because the numbers which exactly divides 3 are only 2, which is 1 and 3. Okay, so 1 and 3 are the factors of 3. So here every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So 1 and 3 are the exact divisors of 3. Now for factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, okay, and 10. Because these numbers, only these numbers 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the exact divisors of 10. 3 is not the exact divisor of 10 because it leaves a remainder 1. 4 also leaves remainder 2. 6 also. 7, 8 and 9 also, only the 10. So only there are 4 factors for 10. So factors are the number which exact divide that numbers. Okay, now how you know that numbers, which numbers are the factors? 10 है तो आपको पता चल जाएगा, 8 भी 3 भी, because these are the small numbers. Like 36, so you have to divide it. For that I will explain you the divisibility. By that divisibility you can easily find the factors of any numbers. Now the sixth point, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Okay, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. So every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Okay, now the given number, for example, if given number is 8, given number is 8. Now write the factors of 8. Okay, factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8, because these are only the numbers which are the exact divisor of 8. So these are the factors. So what is given? Every factor means this 4 factor is less than, okay, 1 is less than 8, 8 is greater than 1, 8 is greater than 2, and 8 is greater than 4, and 8 is equals to 8. So every factor is less or equal to the given number. Okay, less than or equal to the given number. Now seventh point is number of factors of a given number are finite. Okay, here 8 has only 4 factors, 3 has only 2 factors, 2 has only 2 factors, and 10 also have 4 factors. So every number has a finite factors. Okay, for example, we'll write the factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. So every number have finite factor. मीन्स कंफर्म नहीं होगा कि आपको कि 2 ही रहेंगे 3 रहेंगे, मीन्स 2 भी हो सकते हैं, 3 भी, 4 भी and 5 भी, but they are finite. Every number has finite factors. Now 8th point, every multiple. Now about the multiples. These points are all for the factors, and I also explained you the multiples. What are the multiples? Like the multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means table. हमको 2 का टेबल पढ़ना है, लर्न करना है. Now factor multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. So now about the multiples. Every multiples of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Okay, for example, we'll write the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on, because ये तो end होते ही नहीं है multiples. So multiple of any number is greater than or equal to that number. Okay, so multiple of any number is greater than or equal to that number. So here 5 is equals to 5, but after the 5, that 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on, all these numbers are greater than 5. So factors are less than or equal to the given number, and multiples are greater than or equal to the given number. That is the difference. One difference between the factor and multiple. Factor is less than or equal to the given number. Multiple is greater than or equal to the given number. Now the ninth point is the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Means factors are finite, which I explained you in the 7th point. Okay, this 7th point, factors are finite but multiples are infinite. Means 10 has only 4 factors, but what's about the multiples of 10? Okay, that let's see. Multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 and so on. It's never end. Finite means limited number of factors a number have, but infinite means a number have infinite number of factors. N number of multiples means ये limited नहीं है, ये continue चलते ही जाएंगे. Multiples never end like the numbers. Natural numbers कभी end नहीं होते. Like that multiples also never end. So the multiples of a number is infinite and factors of a number are finite. Now 10th point, every number is a multiple of itself. Yes, every number is a multiple of itself means the multiple of 5, 5. So 5 is a multiple of itself. Okay, 6 is a multiple of itself. This is the multiples of 6, 12, 18 and so on. So 6 is a multiple of itself, 5 is a multiple of itself, 10 is a multiple of itself. So factor is also I explained you in the 4th point that factors of a number are also the factor of itself. Like that multiples of a number are also the multiple of itself. Okay, these are the 10 points about the factors and the multiples. Now in next video we will continue the exercise 3.1.